And the next one, the model number is 930. It has two colors. This is brass, and this is normal. Today I show you the brass one. This model number is 930. So if you want to get more information about this torch, you can you need to remember the model number 930. Okay. This model also has passed the sample test on Amazon, and we start to supply for it. So you also don't worry about the quality. This torch is longer than normal one. Compare with it, you can see the tube is longer than this one. So it makes more convenient to use. Because the tube is longer, you can keep a little distance between the torch and the things you need to fire. And this torch is also very lightweight. You can see I can hold the torch in one hand, and very easy. You can see it's very lightweight. So it is very possible for you to take and use in anywhere. And this torch is made of brass, and the brass is plated with chrome material. Maybe someone knows the chrome material is able to withstand the hot temperature. So this torch is also very durable and has long service life. And the second, it equipped with a gas control knob. It can be adjusted its use, increase and decrease the level of the fire pressure and the gas released.